grade 3B. That was fantastic, and well done, everyone.
This concludes this morning's celebration. We hope you have enjoyed it. We would now like to invite Ms. Jo back to the stage to close the assembly.
Good morning, everyone. How good was that? Amazing, it was indeed amazing. Can we have another huge round of applause for all our performers? Okay, before we finish, just a few thank yous from me. First of all, a big thank you to Sawyer and Jiu for being an amazing MCs. Didn't they do a great job? Thank you both so much. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to all the teachers who spent a lot of time and supporting you help do these performances this morning. But not only that, all their support and guidance and hard work throughout the years. So can we please give our teachers a really big round of applause? I'd also like to say a big thank you to Mr. Hung and the maintenance team for all their support with the stage setup, taking it down and sound and everything. You always do an amazing job. Thank you very much. Okay, and there are some more people just sitting behind you that I think we should say a big thank you to. So a big round of applause for all your parents. Thank you, parents, for joining us. Thank you for always coming out and supporting your children and supporting the school. It really means a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, before we go, who can tell me how many days are left? 4. Does anybody know how many days we've already had? How many days we've already had? If anyone knows this, I'll be very surprised. Kian, you know? Lance?
179.
Right? I don't know either, to be honest, but I think 177. Very close, Rayansh. Well done. Okay, so we have all had an amazing year, yes? Have you? So we were talking in the lower primary assembly this morning about all the things that you've done this year, so many things. Have a think about one of your best memories from this year at school, and I'll come around and ask a few of you to share your best memory this year. Zen?
Week without walls.
Same? Same, okay. Anybody else got something other than Week Without Walls? We did lots of other stuff, come on. Lots of other stuff. All right, Jude.
School trips.
School trips, the field trips, absolutely. Yes, lots of trips. Hey, Julian.
Finishing the PYPX.
Oh, yeah, that was a big one. Parents, anyone like to share any of your favourite moments? Any of the parents? They're all a bit shy.
Graduation.
Graduation, yes. We have a parent.
Firstly, it was a Week Without Walls also because we had some time off from our daughter. But also, too, I was very proud that my daughter was drawing the back of the shirt for that trip. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we've had a fantastic year. Everyone agree, but is everybody ready for a holiday? So, I wish all of you a wonderful, wonderful summer break and a wonderful rest of this week. See you all next year. All right, thank you very much. Thank you, and goodbye.